Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif today welcoming you to my new Illustrator tutorial. I'll show you today a new logo with just a shape and use a pathfinder tool. Let's start. Go to the file and take a new canvas, which is the 2560 and 1440, and the color mode RGB. Just because of I'm using website, that's why I'm using this color mode. Otherwise, if you want to use it in a press or printing purpose, then you can use the CMYK color mode. Okay, and more settings you can go. I'm just taking it medium. The 150 pixel per inch or 72 pixel per inch is good, and hit the create button. Okay, after that I'm going to the rectangle tool and just drawing a rectangle like that, and just you'll get this type of dots, which is the edges, and I'm turning off the stroke and making it like a little bit circle. Okay, after that I'm making copy. I'm just giving another color, it will more visible. Just press Alt and just drag it, you'll get another copy of this. I'm just placing this one here like that. Okay, and just if you want to make it in a proper alignment, you have to go to the window and the align options and make it like that and like that. Okay, you'll get this type of shape. And after that, just go to the pathfinder tool. If you want to get this icon over there, you have to go to the window and the pathfinder options, and after that just making it divide and ungroup this one. Just delete this portion and this portion, and you can just get this type of shapes. After that I'll go to the ellipse tool and make a circle like that, and press Ctrl C and Ctrl F, C for copy and F for forward paste, and I'm making just another circle which is like that. And select these two things and go to the pathfinder tool again and just minus like that. And after that just go to the rectangle tool again and make it just cut. I want to cut this portion, that's why I'm using this one, and I want to make it in a middle, that's why I'm just selecting this one and go to the alignment tool and make it in a middle of this. And just go to the pathfinder tool again and make it divide and just ungroup this one. After that you can delete this portion. Okay, it's actually C. And after that go to the direct selection tool and make it select this two portion and make it round, and just I'll make this or place this one in this portion like that. And if you want to make in a middle, just select the alignment tool like that, or you can select it manually like that. Okay, or like that, that's good. And now I will use the gradient color. Select this shape and go to the gradient palette over there, or if you want to get this icon over here, go to the window and the gradient, or Ctrl F9, select this one, and I'm selecting this gradient. Here is the gradient palette by default, and selecting this one and double click in this slider, and I'm selecting this color or selecting another color like that, or you can give this type of color and press I from the eye picker and select this one, you'll get this color. Or you can adjust this color like that. Suppose you want to make it blue portion is in a downside and the orange portion in upper side, that's for that press the 90 and you will get this one like that, and press this one and make it 90 degree. Okay, that's good. And for that I want to give a black background, that's why I'm going to the rectangle tool and select, just draw a rectangle and make it black, not the pitch black, make it 99% gray, that's good. And this layer is upper side from the logo layer, I want to make it in the back side or just send it in the back side, Control Shift and third bracket opening, you'll get this one. Okay, if you want to adjust this one, you have to go to the gradient adjustment and just select a double click over there, and here is another options, and here is another menu and CMYK color mode. If you want to make it more darker, you can make it, or after that if you want to make the orange color more deeper, then you can just like that. Okay, you can make it like, okay, that's good. Okay, or you can make it the warm color, or you can adjust your own color actually. Okay, that's good. Yes, that's nice. Okay, and if you want to make it same, you can select this shape, press I from the I picker, and you can make it. Okay, you can easily make this type of logo, or you can change the color over here. And I'm making like that, actually making it, yeah, that's good. Or this one is good. You can make it high and select this one, or you can give it another direction, press G, only G, and you can select like that, or you can make it the radial and reverse radial, or you can get this type of portion, or linear, you can make it easily. Okay, you are getting a logo like that. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video tutorial. If you have any kind of question or query, please do comment on my video comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share.